My name is Alton Dooley, and I'm the curator of paleontology here at the Virginia Museum of Natural History. I'm in the Uncovering Virginia Hall of the Carmel Church Quarry exhibit. The Carmel Church Quarry is a site in Caroline County, Virginia, that the museum has been excavating for over 20 years. This is one of the richest vertebrate fossil locations in eastern North America. Over those 20 years, we've collected tens of thousands of specimens, mostly from fossil sharks and fossil whales. One of the questions that we're trying to solve with Carmel Church is why we have such a large density of fossils in a single place. This entire exposure that we're excavating is only about 300 yards long, and yet we're finding whales practically stacked on top of one another, as you can see in the model of this exhibit behind me. That's not the way we usually find fossil whales, and one of the big problems we're trying to solve is how did all these whales get here? Why did they choose this place to die? There are a host of accessory problems to go along with that. We have found a great variety of animals here. So far we've identified at least 17 different species of whales and dolphins that are found at this site. They're mixed in with more than 20 species of sharks, with fossil fish, sea turtles, but also with land mammals. We have horses, we have tapirs, and camels that all come from the same place, mixed in with the fossil whales. One of the great mysteries with Carmel Church is how all of these things came to be mixed together in the same deposit over apparently a pretty short period of time. In addition to the specimens that are exhibited here in the Carmel Church exhibit, other Carmel Church remains are on display throughout the museum. In the Harvest Foundation Great Hall, the large whale hanging from the ceiling, Eobalanopter, was also found at Carmel Church. In fact, that was the very first skeleton that we excavated at Carmel Church in 1991. There are also a number of skeletons from Carmel Church that are currently being prepared in the paleontology lab, which is visible from the Great Hall.